Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back. Today is Thursday. I just wanted to come on and say hello to you guys. So what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm getting ready to just take out. I'm going to cook for dinner tonight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook some spaghetti today. I'm going to cook some corn and I'm going to cook these chorizo crumbles. Look like it could be ground beef, but it's not. But that's what I'm going to use for my spaghetti tonight. So corn, vegan crumbles, here in the pantry. And okay. I got some organic whole wheat spaghetti. I'm gonna use that. And let me see. So this is what I'm gonna cook with it. Let me get here. Let me see what kind of sauce I want. I don't want that. I'm gonna use the sauteed onion and garlic sauce. Yep. This is what I'm gonna cook for my family tonight. Some corn, whole wheat spaghetti, vegan chorizo, and chunky sauteed onion and garlic. I might make this too. The spinach and ricotta strudel. That can be like the garlic bread. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. That's what I think I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna bake this and put a little butter on it or a little olive oil and put like some little garlic powder on it. Make that be like our little garlic bread. That's what I'm gonna do. Yep. And I also think I'm gonna make me a banana pudding tonight too. All these bananas, y'all, as y'all can see, so I need to get rid of them. We got the banana pudding pie filling. Well, pudding and pie filling. So we got banana cream and vanilla. And we got some Chessman cookies. So I'm gonna use these two. So that's the stuff for my banana pudding that I'm gonna make. And this is dinner. Yeah, I hope everyone has been doing good with everything that's going on with the world. Prayers out to everyone. But yeah, if this is your first time here, my name is Dion. I hope you become a chat partner. And to all my returning chat partners, I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and hit that like button, and also hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload. Going down, guys. Got my water here. Get ready for that to boil. Got my corn back there starting to come to a boil. So yeah, so my water start boiling. Drop that spaghetti. Put my top on here and let it, so the water can heat up. And I got my little spinach buddy in there in the oven cooking. So yeah, and it's 5:18, guys. So I'm making progress, trying to get this done and out the way. Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back. It is Friday. I'm on my way to work. Just wanted to come in and say hello to you guys. I hope everyone has been having a good Friday so far. I hope everyone has been safe and sound and healthy. But what I decided to do to bring you guys along as much as I can for my day. I said I'm getting ready to head to work right now. I'm not feeling my best. I don't know if this too much TMI, but y'all my chat partners, so I can talk to y'all. But yeah, it's a condition that I have where I get boils up under my arms sometimes, and I have a flare going on now, and it's been bothering me for the last couple of days. With the flare, with the boil, I don't get any sleep because it's hard for me to get any sleep. It's hard for me to be comfortable. So I tossed and turned last night because if I try to lay a certain way and get a little comfortable, then if I try to move just a little bit, I'll be in pain. And it's just hard when I shower and just move and just put clothes on, get dressed. It's just hard to do anything. But you know what, guys? I'm going to push through it. Comment down below if you guys suffer for the same thing, or if you guys have ever had a boil under your arm or on your leg or just anywhere on your body. Because when you have a boil, it just had your whole attitude messed up and just, you just be in a funk. And I've been in a funk for the most of the day. From that, like I do, my heart goes out to you. I hope that you guys' condition get better. So yeah, let me go ahead on and get on this road. I'll check in with you guys later. You guys have a good afternoon now. Came on home, washed dishes, and straightened up the kitchen a little bit so I can cook. I work from home the earlier part of the day, but then I had to go in for a couple of hours. So came home, washed the dishes, and straightened the kitchen up a little bit so I can cook. So I got dinner cooking. And what I'm gonna do is make my banana pudding because I didn't make it last night. I was supposed to make it last night, but didn't have time. So I still got my stuff sitting out. So I'll make the banana pudding. I might record a little bit of it for you guys. Take these earrings off. I think I need to take them off. This is what I'm using, the Shea Moisture face mask. Comment down below if you've ever used this mask. Trying to use it all up before I start using my other mask. I want to just have a bunch of masks open. Cause I have another one that I bought. I did in a previous video in a haul for you guys. I haven't used that yet, so I'm just trying to get rid of the facial products that I used before I start to do a new recipe on my face. I'm getting ready to go up in here and find me a movie to watch on Netflix. Don't that look good, y'all? Spinach, quiche bread, or whatever you call it. Look good, don't it? There go my stuff for my little banana pudding. Look at them bananas, y'all. It's time for me to make this banana pudding tonight. I got everything set and in order, so I'm gonna get to making it real soon. Yeah. My brother got chicken. He had got one of those whole chickens from the grocery store, and what was left off of it, he boiling it. So I don't know. He's gonna make him a stew or something. I don't know what he's doing with this. And I got my little sausages boiling because I'm gonna make me and my daughter some cabbage and sausage again. And this is for my boyfriend. I made him some more spaghetti, and we got leftover vegan chorizo from yesterday. So yeah, that's my little dinner. Y'all, that's my little dinner. Some quick and simple. I just wanted to show you guys what I made, what I whipped up real quick. And of course I did that as soon as I walked in the house, because I'm a walk in the house cooker. Go get her done and get it over with. And it is 7:30. March 27th, and I have 25 subscribers. Just want to say to my 25 subscribers, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for your support. That's exciting. That makes me happy, and I'm appreciative, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me. You just don't know. Thank you guys. I just wanted to say thank you. That was it. I'll check in with you guys in a minute once I get ready to make my banana pudding. Thanks again, guys. Okay guys, here's my banana pudding. It looks good, don't it? I was going for a different look, but I ran out of Chesterman cookies, but that's okay. This is my first time ever making a banana pudding. Check off my list of things to do. So what I'm gonna do now is sit it in the refrigerator and let the pudding thicken and let it chill, and we're gonna enjoy this tonight. Big thank you to my boyfriend for assisting me in this. I really appreciate it. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. My banana pudding looks so good in the refrigerator. I'm finna let that chill for a little bit. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, my chat partners, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for coming along with me. You guys mean a lot to me. Again, I appreciate my subscribers. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. As always, you guys are great. Stay safe, be blessed, take care. Bye guys.